This is a simple question related to derivative or differentiation problems. So first of all, we will keep our function is equals to y, and d upon dx is the sign of derivative. So we are taking derivative of y with respect to x. So it is known as dy upon dx, derivative of y with respect to x. So when we take the derivative, d upon dx is the sign of derivative. So we have to take the derivative of this entire function. So when plus minus signs are there, so what we do is we take the individual derivative of the items. So here this is how we have to write: derivative of the first term plus derivative of the second term minus d upon dx, that is derivative of the third term, and this minus sign has been put over here, plus derivative of the last term, that is 7. So applying the simple rules of derivative, so as I have told you, this power comes in the front, so it becomes 6x and power is reduced by 1. So the derivative of 2x cube is 6x square, plus now 2 will come forward, so it will again be 6x. 2 minus 1 is 1, so we can write it like x, minus now here 6, the x is having power 1, so 1 will come forward, so it will be 6 only, and x will be having power 1 minus 1, so it will be 0. So we know that anything having power 0 is always equal to 1, so 6 into 1 will be 6 only, and plus the derivative of a constant, now here 7 is a constant, so derivative of a constant is equals to 0. So if we want to solve this statement further, we can take 6 common over here, and taking 6 common, it will be x square inside plus x minus 1. So this is how we can write our answer. This is another question of derivative. First let us put it equal to y. This function is equals to y. So now taking the derivative dy upon dx, that is differentiation of y with respect to x. So d upon dx of first term, that is ax power 4, plus d upon dx of the second term, that is bx cube, plus d upon dx of the third term, that is cx square, plus d upon dx of dx, plus d upon dx of e. So like this we have to write all the terms of the function. So individually they can be differentiated as there is plus or minus signs in between. So taking the derivative, the power will come in the front, so 4 will come, ax power will be reduced by 1, so first derivative is 4ax cube, plus here also power will come forward, 3bx square, because the power will be reduced by 1, so third 2 will come forward, third 2cx, power will be reduced by 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1, so there is no need to write 1 on the power, plus here power is 1, so 1 will come forward, 1 will be multiplied by d, so it will be d, x power will be 1 minus 1, that is 0, so anything having power 0 is always equal to 1, so it will be d, and last is derivative of e, that is a constant, is equals to 0. So this portion will become our final answer of derivative. So this is another question when the powers are in fractions, so the same procedure we are going to apply. So taking the derivative of y with respect to x, so first will be d upon dx of 2x power 3 by 2 plus d upon dx of 3x power 2 by 3 plus derivative of the third term, that is 4x power 1 by 3 minus, as there is minus sign, so d upon dx of 3x minus 1 upon 3 is having power. So now taking individually the derivative, now the power comes forward, so 3 by 2 will come forward multiplied by 2. When 3 by 2 will be 2 is further, and this 3 by 2 comes in the front. So x power is 3 by 2 minus 1. So I am showing you the detail, and we can just write direct answer also. Plus in this case also 3 is already there, so this 2 by 3 will come forward, x power will be 2 by 3 minus 1, plus again 4x having power 1 by 3, so 4 into 1 by 3, x power will be 1 by 3 minus 1, minus, now 3 is there, into minus 1 by 3 will come forward, So x minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So because already there was minus 1. So we will solve it and we will get the answer of derivative. So for solving the first portion, 2 into 3 by 2, it will be 3. This 2 will be cancelled. X 3 by 2 minus 1. So we can take the LCM. By taking the LCM, 3 by 2 minus 1. So taking the LCM will be 3 minus 2 is equals to 1 by 2. So it will be 3x power 1 by 2 plus. So again here 3 will be cancelled. So 2x 2 by 3 minus 1. So solving 2 by 3 minus 1 with the same LCM way, we will get minus 1 by 3. So second portion's answer is 2x 1 by 3. In the third case, it will be 4 by 3 x and 1 by 3 minus 1. It comes out to be minus 2 by 3, and finally it will be plus. Because this minus has been converted into plus, this 3 will be cancelled. So it will be x minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So solving this will be minus 4 by 3. So this is the answer of derivative. So these were the three basic problems related to derivative.